Hello everyone, I'm Adil from the We Network and today I am at Noor Riyadh Festival. Due to COVID situation, only limited number of people are allowed and the entry fee is 50 riyal. So guys, this is the red light room.
We have two lights. This is the first one. Now we'll switch off to here, this one. It takes around 15 seconds to switch off. So from inside you can see the whole house.
Amazing.
Yes, a lot.
And other art which attracts most of the people. And in front of me, this also you can see, it looks like a picture frame. Don't cross the line. Watch it from here. And there are some other things which I can show you from inside. It looks like a Ministry of Culture logo.
Yes.
Is it?
Yep.
This is the sculpture, almost 20 sculptures around the world, and I think this is one of the sculptures which they keep it here, and later these sculptures will be moved to other places also.
Do you want him with you?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Let's go to the wall.
So guys, this is the infinity light where exactly I'm standing right now, and when you come inside, you will have a different experience. And believe me, this is one of the best experience which I'm having right now in Light Upon Light. This is water?
Yes, water.
Be careful when you are coming inside, there is a water, so don't cross the lines. Again, the people over here, they will guide you. This is also an amazing art. This looks so small, but when you stand on it, it looks so deep just because of the lights and illusion which created by the artist. Amazing. This is Egyptian artist who made this. So an amazing artwork. It looks like you're in another planet, like in the space. This is a Saudi artist who made this, Mr. Rashid. These all lights basically are moving very fast, which gives a very nice feeling. Now experiencing the light, Team Lab, in total 12 screens which they fixed here, and showing you to combine one picture on all these screens. This is also artist people can do this kind of stuff. This Nasir Al Saneem, he is the artist who made this beautiful Allah written on this wall with the lights. These all are the details of the social media, so you can follow them. I will also mention in the description. Saudi artist.
Yeah.
This is also made by Saudi artist. This art is created by Anila Qayyum Agha. She's Pakistani American artist. She's from Lahore basically. And if you see her art, it's out of the box. And it's basically a box and the light's coming out of the box. So when the light comes out of the box, it creates this kind of environment. It's looked like on the all walls, it's painted or designed. But in reality, it's just a box. But the artist, Anila Qayyum Agha, she made very beautifully with only one light. The complete room is bright and also it's looking very amazing. And this is one of the reasons why I choose to come here in the Light Upon Light and also Noor Art. Total basically 13 locations. And King Abdullah Financial District is one of the locations. And in this location, Light Upon Light, and I'm very interested in Anila Qayyum Agha art. I want to meet her, but unfortunately she's not here. And this is my bad luck. So these are basically X-rays, which are you can see some of the X-rays are from the hospital, and some of the like this is from the hospital, and this X-ray is from the airport. When you are coming from the airport, the security people they are checking. These all are flashy lights, which also looking amazing. What is this?
Green light.
Green light for? See, if you see the mirrors, there are multiple layers of mirror, but artists did it very beautifully. That it looks very amazing. So I hope you like this video, and there are a few things inside Light Upon Light, which include the mini cinema. There are some other activities which are completely free.
This blue color represents the sky and the universe at the moment.
basically not done by one person. This is a collective effort, and if you see behind me or in front of me, the total number of lights are 5,000.
Whenever you see this lightning, that means there is a thunderstorm in this world. So whenever the lightning the intensity come hard, so it means the thunderstorm was strong.